Hey, what's going on? So I'm going to show you an app that is back now, that's fully working, gets you a tons of links, even 4K, 2K, high definition links. But not only I'm going to show you this app on a Fire Stick, I'm going to show you many other apps just like this one, probably around another 50 to 60 apps, premium apps that work just exactly the same as this one. This one is great, it's incredible because of the high definition links and the amount of links. Let me show you how to get this going, how to set this up, and from start to finish, and how to get more applications as well, just like this one, for free movies and TV shows. And I think this is great and better than Netflix. Okay, so let's go in here. The first thing I want to do is go to the gear icon on your Fire Stick. You want to go to Fire TV or My Fire TV or My Device, depending which version of the Fire Stick you're using. Click inside. You see I have developer options. Maybe you don't have developer options, which is completely fine. You're just going to click on that About button. Once you click there, you see I have Fire TV. You want to click on that name about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need, you're already a developer, but for you, it's going to say you are a developer. That's the first thing we have to do. Now, I'm going to show you also how to get around this app if it ever gets blocked on the Fire Stick. This works on TV, works on all boxes. If you're using on TV box, simply just pop up Google Chrome and follow along. But on a Fire Stick, follow this and I'll guide you through step by step. So now once you have that and you have developer options on your Fire Stick, all you have to do is just hit the home button. And let's go back to settings here. Go to settings. And now we're going to go to, you see many settings here. So we're going to go to preferences. Now, once in preferences, let's go to privacy settings. Now in the privacy settings, you want to click manage sharing from apps, keep it off. Stored email addresses, you'll have your email addresses there, that's fine. Don't need to do anything there. Device usage data, off. Collect app usage data, off. Interest-based ads, off. Amazon Photos I have enabled. You can disable or enable it, but make sure these interest-based ads collect app usage data. Device usage data, very important, keep it off. We got to stop letting Amazon collect our information. Okay, let's press the home button once you're done. The next step we have to do is go to find. Click inside of the search box right here, and you can use the Alexa or you can just type it in. You're going to search for downloader. Downloader. It's going to come up with our downloader store. Now, here are some fake ones, so be careful. Click on the downloader icon here. It's going to go into the downloader download. Click on the download button. That's going to start downloading the downloader APK. Super easy to get, very easy to do. It's going to queue it and it's going to install it. But very important factor here, once it downloads and installs, we're not going to open it up yet, okay? So just make sure you get this app and then don't open it up. Let it download and see how it says downloading. It's going to download really quickly now. And when it's finished, I'm not going to open it up, okay? So once downloader finishes, you can open app, but we're not going to do that. There's one thing we have to do. Press the home button. And from here, let's go inside of our settings, followed by My Fire TV. And let's go to developer options. And in here, install unknown apps. And make sure the downloader is to the on position, just like that. Now, once you do that, you want to press the home button. And there's another thing we have to do here to be able to get inside of the store. Internet service providers are blocking links in this app, blocking the store. You're not going to be able to get the updates, or the app might be blocked. Make sure you use this piece of software. Let's go to find. I'll show you how to get around it. Let's go to search. And in here, all you want to do is type in Surfshark. Let's type that in, Surfshark. Just like that. Let's do that. Okay, Surfshark, and let's press on that and hit search. It's going to come up with the Surfshark VPN. You want to click on the Surfshark logo. It's going to take you to another screen. Now from here, you can click the download, okay? And it's going to download the Surfshark VPN. I'm going to show you the exact server setup and exactly what to do, how to get this going, and how to set up the servers to get the most content, the most links, and very little buffering. As you can see, they got 3,200 servers, and I'll show you the server setup. And 100 gigabyte connection is super fast, super efficient, and this VPN works really, really well, keeps you protected, and it unlocks access to this application, many other applications that are found in the store that I'm going to give you access. You can't even get inside of the store because it's being blocked. You can't even download the store because it's being blocked. Therefore, doing the server setup here is going to help you to get around that, okay? So let it finish downloading. I'm going to open it up and I'll show you the exact setup we need to take, okay? Once Surfshark finishes downloading, it's going to install the app, and then I can open it right up to take you to the next step. Give it a minute, press the open app. It's going to come up with this screen. Now on this screen, you want to press not the create account, but the login button, okay? So let's press that login button right there, and it's going to ask you for an email and password. So I'm going to log in with mine, but to obtain your own username and password, simply scan this barcode I put on the screen that says scan me on the barcode with a red border, or you can go to the link right here as well. Also in the pinned comment description, there is a link underneath this video. And from there, you'll be taken to a landing page there. And on the Surfshark landing page, you can select your package. Now, I recommend the starter package for streaming. It's less than, I believe, less than $2 a month. It's like a cup of coffee at Starbucks, a small fee associated with it, but it's less than a cup of coffee per month. That's how much it is. Super cheap, super fast, fast servers, and works excellent with this app and many other applications. You're going to get tons of links. Don't get locked out of content, sports, movies, TV shows, and all that. And also access to the unlinked store since it's being blocked. So you can pause this video if you need to take care of it. Simply just scan this barcode or go to this link here, also in the pinned comment description. Once you're there, choose the starter package, and that's going to keep you covered. It's going to keep you protected, and it's going to keep you safe and anonymous when streaming. Okay? Now, once you sign up for your package, you're going to get an email confirmation from Surfshark. Confirm your account that you set up with your email and you created a password, then log in with your email and put in your password you created on their site here. There you go to sign up, and then just press that login button to get going. So I'm going to log into my account and I'll show you the exact server setup we need to take for this application and many other applications to get way more content and to remove all the locks, okay? Once you log into the Surfshark VPN, things are straightforward. I'll show you the setups. Go to settings right here, and once in settings, go to VPN settings, and from here we're going to say auto connect on startup. We're going to go to protocols and make sure we have the WireGuard automatic right here, this one, okay? Click back. Once you do that, make sure we have small packets enabled, okay? Very important. These three setups are going to give you the fastest speeds, okay? Now go back to the Surfshark logo, main logo here, click on it, and go into the search box, click inside and type in USA. Now, once you do that, press the next button once you type in USA, okay? That's going to find the United States servers, and it doesn't matter which one you select. You want to choose ones that were not very overloaded, okay? I'm going to go with Atlanta today. It doesn't matter which one you go with. So put a star once you find that server. It's going to put a star, and then click on that server, and that's going to auto connect to that server. It's going to pop up and press OK. Now, Surfshark VPN is going to be fully protected and you're going to be fully anonymous, okay? Now, one more settings here. Go to settings that I want to mention. Go to VPN settings and also make sure the kill switch is on. This is going to kill the internet connection if your VPN is off to make sure that it keeps you always secure. Kill switch can stay on, okay? There's other features and things like that I could get into. Clean web, bypass VPN, route VPN. It's full of features. We don't need to worry about anything else. Now, once you're connected, you'll see a green logo here. It means we're connected to our server here. And now we're able to proceed to the next step. Make sure you scan the barcode to take advantage of that, or go to this link here or in the pinned comment description. It's a special discount. It's less than $2 a month. It's a cup of coffee at Starbucks per month. Keeps you protected, keeps you anonymous, keeps you safe. With Surfshark VPN, you're going to get more links, more content in this application, many other applications, and access to many other apps in my store. Okay, so now once you do that, press the home button, and we can now proceed to the next step. Let's check one thing. Let's go to settings, My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and make sure we have that on that we did in the step. Very important. And you want to check also this install unknown apps. Every time you install new applications, you want to make sure this is always turned on. Okay, now once we do that, we can go straight into my apps and games now. We can start up Downloader. Surfshark is running already. Let's pull up Downloader. press the OK button, click one up, highlight this yellow thing here, yellow bar, and just put in the following URL, unlinked. Okay, let's do this. Unlinked dot link. Okay, let's put that in just like that. Okay, exactly like you see it on my screen. I'll put a text on the screen as well. Press the go button. Once you're done, it's going to say connecting, and you're going to see a website that's going to come up here, and you can see I can move my little cursor around with my D-pad here. It's called the D-pad. You can see I'm moving it around. You're going to scroll down until you get to download APK Android. You're going to click on that, and it's going to pop up without me doing anything. It should pop up, and you should start downloading the unlinked application. Here we are connecting. And if it doesn't do that, make sure your VPN is on. Some people had issues, but see, with the VPN on, incredible speeds I'm getting, and it's done. Press the install button, but make sure you don't press the open button. We're going to press that done button right there. Okay, press the delete, and press the delete again to delete the installation file. Now press the home button once you're done that. Now we're going to go here again, settings, my Fire TV, my device, developer options, install unknown apps, making sure that unlinked is turned to the on position just like that. Now once you do that, you're going to press the home button, and we're ready to proceed to the next step. I'm going to open up my apps and games. Okay, and we are going to open our store by clicking on it, that icon there. It's going to come up with the store looking like this. You want to press the new library, and in here, lowercase, everything, no spaces, just put in the word Firestick. That's all you have to put in. Let's put that word right in, just like that. Firestick. Once you do that, let's press that next button. Now, that's going to pop up with a screen. It tells you all these other applications, not only one. I recommend quite a bit of them, and these are the top ones right now. And I update this welcome screen all the time. Take a picture of it, or, take note of this. This is going to give you what are the best apps. But don't worry, I have also categories in my store which give you the best apps. Click the backward arrow to get out of the unlinked. Okay, it's going to take you back to the main screen here of Firestick, and it's unlinked. It's going to be highlighted already. Relaunch it again. Now it's going to take you right into my store. Click New Tech Apps. Okay, so we can click on New Tech Apps to expand that folder, and then you'll see a bunch of apps here. Okay. Now our application, we can scroll through all our categories, but we're scrolling down to our best movie and TV show apps. And this is our application today. We're going to be reviewing this one. Okay, click on this application and press the download button. That's going to get that application. It's going to install it, and we're going to be ready to use it and to enjoy all the content in this application. Give it a minute to download. Okay. Once it downloads, you can see the speeds are really good. You can scroll up and down, left to right, and you can get all these other applications if you wish to. These are great. These work great. And I have all these categories, and all these things are always up to date and updated. Okay, so let's do this. Let's install our application here. It'll take a minute. Here we are. Okay, and press install app once we get our application. Okay, press install, and screen will flicker, and we're going to be back inside of our store. Okay. Okay, so it installed, and then we're back into our store. Now you can scroll up and down, left to right to get more applications and enjoy this content. This application is incredible, super fast. You get lots of links and lots of content. So for this application, after installing it, it's not going to work with the internal player. It gives you the option when you start it up saying use internal player, but we need this Bear player for it to work. Now to get Bear player, we simply just have to scroll down to our media players section. Okay. In the media section, players, scroll to Bear player, one like this with a little paw here. Now this player is also required for some other applications, okay? But this Bear player is going to help you to play all this content. Hit on our player here and press install app, okay? This is going to make sure that all those things are working. See, it downloaded already, and we press the install button, and Bear player will install, and it'll be done. That's pretty much it. And once we install that and we start up our application, all we have to do is select Bear player in the startup screen, and then we can play all our content. You're going to get lots of 2K, 4K links. This application is truly incredible that I've shown you, okay? Now, in the future, if this application, for some reason, stops working and is filtered out by Amazon, all you have to do is go under Firestick Tools, and you don't have to do this now, but I'm showing you this for the future if you ever need it. click on the App Cloner application and press Downloader. What this application is going to do, you can clone that application we just installed, and you can make another version that's going to work if the old version is locked. So I'll show you how to get around that. Let's assume the application is working right now. You don't need to do this. But let's say in the future, it just stopped working and you needed to fix it. So I'm going to show you, you don't have to watch another video and look at my face again. I'm going to show you how you would fix that application. So let's install this App Cloner and I'll show you step by step how to get that fixed applied to our application. So here we are installing the App Cloner, and you can skip the set thing and you can just go straight to the app if you wish to, but I'm showing you this in case you get stuck and you don't have to come back looking for videos. Press install app, and that's going to start the App Cloner installation. Let's install the App Cloner. Now once you install Bear Player and our application we've installed and App Cloner, you press the home button to get out of the store. Remember, you can come back to my store at any time by going to my apps and games, and you can come back to the store to get more applications at any time, okay, as long as the VPN is on. Okay, so let's go here. You can see we have App Cloner and we have our player installed. So now, and we have our favorite app installed. Let's hit home and let's go now to settings. Let's go to My Fire TV. Let's go to developer options, install unknown apps, and let's turn this to the on position, the Cloner app. Okay, let's press the home button. Now let's go to my apps and games and let's start up the Cloner application here by clicking on it. Okay. Now, let's say our app stopped working. We would go in our Cloner app and then it would pop up. We'd press the middle, press agree, and then we would choose the app that is no longer working, but right now it's working. But if it wasn't, let's make an assumption. You would click on it. You would have a bunch of options, and then you would pick the option that says clone standard. That would start cloning the application. It would create two applications on our Firestick or our device, whatever device we're using. And I'll show you how to identify which one's the broken one, which one's the new one, and how you would remove that if that happened in the future. So let it modify it here, give it a minute. Now, when it's finished cloning our app, all we have to do is press the install, and that's going to install another new version of this app that is fixed. Now, here's the thing. Here's the tricky part. Not so tricky, but super basic once I explain it. Press the done button if you are doing this. And then you would see you have two applications, the same ones. This is the old one that's not working, and this is the new one we just created. So click on the old one, just to remove the confusion on our Firestick, and simply just say, you know what, I want to uninstall. And it's going to uninstall the old one. Now press OK, and it's going to uninstall that application. Now we just have one that says clone. Now when we go on our Firestick and we go to My Apps and Games, you'll see that we have only that one application instead of two that we're getting confused about, okay? So that's basically how you fully load your Firestick, and remember that you can go back to the unlinked store at any time. I'll show you through this entire process, 16 minutes here that I've been doing and playing around with this. I had my VPN on, I was connected to a US server. I'm able to get apps really fast, I'm able to stream, everything is working as it should because with this VPN setup. If you haven't done it yet and you want the updates, you want the links, you want the content, and you don't want to sit there for a game of football, baseball, whatever you're watching, and you start buffering or the link just stops working, make sure you're connected to a VPN, to a US server like I showed you. Doesn't matter which city or town. Scan the barcode here or go to this link here. Also in the pinned comment description, there is a link that's going to get you a lot of links. When you're running this VPN, it's going to keep you protected. It's going to get you a big discount on that website. Sign up for an account if you haven't done it. You're going to stay anonymous and you're going to continuously have access to the store, okay? So that's Surfshark. It works well. Some people are asking me if any other VPN is okay as well. Some people are using IPVanish. That's okay as well. I'm also promoting them. And I'm also promoting Surfshark. I have partnerships with both. Some work better for certain apps, some work better for other apps. It really depends. Right now, Surfshark I have been using, and I'm having a good time with Surfshark. So it works really well, and that's the discount. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Comment below if this worked for you, if you got it set up, if it worked. Tell me what your other favorite apps are. Tell me which apps are working, which are not, so I can fix them. Also, a lot of people have been knocking off my content, linking to the apps that I update in the store. Therefore, I was thinking to put a pin lock in my store, but I haven't done it yet. But if I do put a pin lock in the future, the people that reply to the comment right below this video will get the new pin lock. So comment below. Also, very important, if I do anything, any updates, I'm going to post it all on X. I'll put a barcode up here. Scan this barcode to follow me on X. Very important. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. All you have to do is follow me on X, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit the thumbs up, and comment below to get the pin lock if it's ever in place. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Take care.